The Neo went against the RTX 3090 Ti and the M1 Max as well as the 3070 Ti. Now I wanted to go against the 5070 Ti desktop version, which is the next logical step if you think this is all logical. Into the results. The classroom scene took 10 seconds using the RTX 5070 Ti with optics using Blender version 5.1. As for the Neo on the other hand, well, before that, let's talk about the specs real quick. The MacBook Neo comes with 256GB of storage with 8GB of RAM and runs for about $700 regular price or $600 if you are a student. And it has the A18 Pro chip that comes with 5 cores of GPU and 6 cores of CPU. Going back to the results, the Neo took 15 minutes and 47 seconds using the GPU only and 16 minutes using the A18 Pro chip CPU only. And I would say that's a difference of margin of error between those two. Those results are not surprising though, as we are talking about a fully built tower PC with 5070 Ti desktop version versus a laptop with a cell phone chip. Yet the idea here is that you have this much rendering power into a laptop that you can carry with you anywhere, for example if you are students, and it has a relatively low price tag. Because if we are talking about the RTX 5070 Ti, only the graphics card itself costs roughly $1,200 on a good day. And let's not forget about the Ramageddon as well, which means you are looking at 6 times the price at least to get a PC running, before counting that you need a keyboard and a mouse and a display as well. And all of that does not move and it's stationary and it stays in one place versus the Neo, which again you can take with you anywhere. Now back to the numbers. The 5070 Ti is 9 times faster in render times, which is bonkers to be honest, but hey, you are watching this video so you are as crazy as me who made this video to begin with and want to know what the results are. So overall, in terms of percentage, the difference is 98% reduction in rendering time between the 5070 Ti to the Neo. Hence why the 5070 Ti is 9 times faster. Now going into the Lone Monk project render time, it took 2 minutes using the 5070 Ti with optics using a Blender 5.1. And also here is the comment of the day before going into the results for the Neo, and thank you Dimebaro for your comment. And if you want your comment to be featured in the next video, you know what to do. Also yes, it might be that the end is near, but I did what I did so I can afford buying those MacBooks and graphics cards so I can do all those tests for you guys. And speaking of which, the Neo took 11 minutes to render the Lone Monk project using the GPU only, so in this test the RTX 5070 Ti is 5 times faster, where it reduced the render times by roughly 81%. So what did we learn from all of this? Well, what we learned is that you and me are both a crazy 3D artist, which is a good thing by the way, and remember to be nice and always play nice because you never know who can burn your house down. See you around.